Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shilpa Data Insights.
In this video, we are going to discuss the most widely used keywords in big data. So if you are new to data engineering field, this video is going to help you a lot to get started with the big data. So I will focus on the major keywords and list down all those keywords and explain you each and every keyword in brief. So stay tuned till the end so that you know all the major keywords related to data engineering. So from there, we will come into our next particular keyword called executor. So what is an executor? Let's say I have a cluster in which I have a 4 node cluster, and out of that 4 node I have this one worker node. Okay, so in this one worker node I have to again redistribute the data inside this worker node so that it can perform its task. So in this node, let's say I have a 16 CPU cores and 64 GB RAM, right? So how will I go ahead and divide the work among these? So in that case, I can go ahead and create 3 particular containers, and in this 3 containers I can distribute this particular configuration of the system. So basically executor is nothing but it's a logical unit in our worker node. So logical unit means these are our containers in which we will have a specific CPU and a specific RAM. So let's say if you have a 16 CPU and 64 GB RAM, if you divide this by 3, then you get 5 cores and 21 GB for each particular container. In these containers, basically tasks are performed and the results are given in a particular node. Executor is nothing but multiple logical units that are present in a particular worker node. From here, we will come into our next particular keyword, that is transformation. So what is a transformation? So transformation is nothing but you have to go ahead and transform the data from dataset 1 to dataset 2, right? So whatever data you have, it is being transformed to dataset 2. What kind of transformation it could be? It could be like you are grouping the data, you are summing it up, or you are joining some tables. These are some transformation that you can do and get your final result, right? So in case of transformation in Spark, the best thing is that the transformation are lazy evaluated. I will explain you what that means. So before that, let's see the next keyword that we have, that is our action. Action is basically all the calculation that you want to do on the top of that has been calculated and the result is given to you. So in case of transformation, there is no result that is being provided. Here, the final output is given to you. In this case, for example, if you want to display your data, you want to display your data frame, or you want to go ahead and count the data, or you can perform a collect operation to basically get your output, right? So in this case, the particular data is given to you as a result. So let's see now what is a lazy evaluation. So the lazy evaluation means whatever transformations are done in Spark, it's not done at that particular time. It actually creates a flow. Let's say there are 2 tables and I want to combine these 2 tables to get the result, right? So this is my table 1, this is my table 2, and I am performing a join operation on the top of that. So this is my transformation. And on the top of that transformation, let's say I want to calculate the sum of a particular column. So my output will be this particular thing. So when it is lazy evaluated, it doesn't give me the result as soon as I call the join operation. It will give me the result when I do a collect or when I go ahead and create any action on the top of that. So it creates this particular tag and gives you the output when there is an action being called. So this is lazy evaluated. So in this case, the most benefit that you get is, let's say you want to filter out the data, then it filters out the data first and your data becomes less. And then you go ahead and get your actual data after filtration. So this is one benefit that you get out of lazy evaluation. So one point that I would like to share with you is the transformation. So what all different types of transformation are there? There are two types of transformation. One is wide transformation and the second is the narrow transformation. So what is the difference between a wide transformation and a narrow transformation? Basically, in the narrow transformation, there is no shuffling of the data. It means the data is not transformed from one node to another node. But in case of wide transformation, there is a shuffling of data. It means the data is actually transferred between one node to another node. So in case of narrow transformation, let's say filtering it out any data is your narrow transformation, and shuffling of the data takes place in the join operation. So that is our wide transformation, or any group by operation that you do, wide transformation. So you need to know the difference between narrow and wide transformation so that you can also optimize your code. So in this video, we have seen specific keywords related to big data, which are very useful if you are starting your data engineering keyword. I will come up with some next video in which I will explain you some more keywords in the big data world. If you like this video, then hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel.
Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you have a good day.